Hey everybody, welcome back to Chaco Canyon. Check out this amazing architecture that was required in order to build the structures that you see around me. These aren't even the full structures. This is just what's been excavated, unearthed, maybe partly restored. I really don't know how these excavations work. What I do know is that you're just seeing a fraction of the structures that are out here. Do you remember anything like this in your history books, fellow Americans? Let me know if you do. I don't. I'll tell you what, if I knew that people were able to align buildings like this to the summer solstices and the winter solstices, and to build a sundial, and to complete all of these mathematical feats of amazement, might change some of the questions I have when it comes to vote next time. What do you guys think?